Hello, welcome back to another new video. Today I've got another very rare pneumatic to show you. This is an NV225 from 1988 and actually the motor is dated a day after my birthday, so that's quite amazing. This one isn't your standard NV225, which is a commercial James essentially. This is an OCS one, which would have been made especially for a contract cleaning company, OCS, and a few other collectors. You know who you've got OCS machines as well. So, you know, it's basically a HVC with a metal bucket. This would have originally been red, and it just would have said pneumatic on the top. Being made by OCS, and machines are blue. They do commonly say OCS on top, but for some reason I have seen another one of these before on eBay a very long time ago. For some reason this particular model never says it on top. I know this was an OCS one because it's actually inscribed in the top OCS Limited. I got this from the car boot sale, my local car boot sale, a good few years ago, and it was in very poor condition. The top still isn't great. The bucket was pretty rusty. I've had to repaint half the bucket. I've tried to keep as much original paint as I could. It's Nutex. It's some type of pneumatic special powder coating, from what I understand. I managed to get a perfect colour match from my local paint shop. So shout out to Leonard Brooks in Harlow. They always do a top job of mixing paint for me. So in 88, this uses the cooled rewind type motor, the DT1004N. So, standard non-rewind top. I haven't got the original cord, but this is off an old Electrolux, so it's got the right plug. It's just a little bit too short, which is a shame. Twin seal filter. It's the Permatex type filter, so the silky material. And strangely enough, it's got a metal cage inside, so maybe that's how they wanted it. All the filter's been changed. I'm not quite sure. The commercial ones did quite commonly come with Permatex as an option, or I don't know, whatever the customer wanted really. The bucket, I repainted pretty much most of inside. It's probably not too clear, but I've repainted quite a lot of this. I don't think it had a face when I got it. In fact, the eyes have come off another pneumatic, and I put a brand new mouth on it. I've got a couple of face kits. So that's much better than what it was. Been used bagless for a lot of fine dust. It was pretty bad inside. A lot of dust was caked into the bucket as well. Just pop the top back on. So the commercial ones in like 1988 would have come with toolkit options, and there was quite a few options. So you could have just standard like Henry type toolkit with the 300mm combination nozzle. That's what I've got for it. That's my favourite type of toolkit. The hose is a bit weird. I've got a few of these actually. I don't know if these are genuinely pneumatic or not. This is kind of like the HVC screw end, but it's a bit smaller. I quite commonly see these on commercial ones, and it's made of slightly different plastic. I had to get my brother plastic weld this one because it got broken, and the cuff is just flat cut rather than angled. I've got a couple of these hoses, and I've seen them on NV250s. Maybe it's a commercial thing, I'm not sure. I need to get some new ones for it because these are 90s ones rather than the 80s ones with the 3 little circles inside. At least I've got a set for it. So when I got it, I only got the hose, so I'm not sure what toolkit it would have had originally. But like I say, in the price guide, it lists a fair few toolkits for these. I can't remember off my top of my head what they all are, but there's a good 8 or 10, something like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you for watching.